Exploring the latest AI tools for productivity. Hey there! Want to work smarter, not harder? Today, we're diving into the coolest AI tools that can supercharge your productivity. These tools are like having a digital assistant, but way cooler. Introduction to AI tools. Artificial intelligence isn't just for sci-fi movies anymore. It's here to make your life easier, faster, and more productive. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves staying organized, there's an AI tool for you. Let's check out some of the best. Tool 1. Notion. AI first on our list is Notion AI. This tool takes your regular Notion workspace and upgrades it with superpowers. It can summarize long notes, brainstorm ideas, and even help you write content. Need a quick meeting agenda? Notion AI's got you. Tool 2. Grammarly. Next up is Grammarly. If writing emails or reports makes you nervous, Grammarly is your new best friend. It not only fixes grammar, but also suggests better words and tones. Think of it as your personal editor who's always on standby. Tool 3. Trello plus AI features. Ever tried Trello? Now, with AI features, it's even better. It can prioritize tasks, remind you about deadlines, and suggest ways to streamline your projects. Basically, it turns chaos into clarity. Tool 4. Otter.ai. Meet Otter.ai, your go-to tool for transcribing meetings, lectures, or interviews. It's fast, accurate, and saves you hours of typing. Pro tip: use it during online classes or webinars to capture every detail. Tool 5. ChatGPT. Of course, we can't forget ChatGPT. This tool is perfect for brainstorming, coding help, and even crafting social media captions. Feeling stuck? Just ask ChatGPT and watch the magic happen. Tool 6. Canva Magic Write. If you're into designing, Canva's Magic Write is a game changer. It helps you create catchy headlines, product descriptions, and more, all within Canva. It's like having a creative partner that never runs out of ideas. Tool 7. RescueTime. Last but not least, RescueTime. This tool tracks how you spend your day and gives insights into your productivity. It even blocks distractions so you can stay focused, perfect for beating procrastination. Try them today. So there you have it, the latest AI tools that can transform the way you work and study. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time. Thanks for watching.